Someone's literally coming. There's people coming from all directions. But the beauty of this is that I'm not going to be living here much longer, so I don't have to be embarrassed. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. 2020 has been quite a year, but I literally have the most exciting thing that has happened to me in all of 2020. I've been waiting for the right moment to tell you guys because I wanted to bring you guys along on this new journey. And so now is finally the time that I get to reveal this to you guys. We are moving house. I could not be more excited. Like, I could sit here and scream, but my voice is just going to sound so high pitched and no one wants to hear that. Condo that we currently live in, actually, that's why I'm sitting in the car filming this intro, because our condo right now is in a state of moving, no, not bliss. It's in just a state. It's like moving bomb, throw up all over the house, boxes everywhere. When we started looking for places to live back in 2018 and we got this condo, we always said that we would only be here for 2 years and then we want to move onwards and upwards into a house. And so it's really cool how that's worked out. And I'm so excited, not only for us, but I'm excited to bring you guys along on this journey. It's kind of like the next chapter of my life. Like, the condo that we live in, it has been great to us. We've had so many good memories, but honestly, we've outgrown it. We outgrew it about a year ago. We have no storage space. We have more stuff than storage. The new house has a chef's kitchen, you guys. Yes, a full chef's kitchen, which means no more what I eat in a day is just focused on my hands. I can like literally show you everything. I'm so excited. There's also beautiful lighting. We have a fireplace. We have like 10-foot ceilings in one part of the house. I don't want to give too much away actually, because we moved this weekend and I'm going to do an empty house tour. So this vlog is kind of like the pre-moving vlog. I want to show you guys what I've been like packing up. But right now I'm about to start the car and we're going to head out. One of the things that we bought for a new place is a bed. We bought a king size bed. It's going to be our first king size bed. It's such a nice bed, you guys. I can't wait till you guys see it. But I just realized today that I didn't buy any bedding for it, and we're close to the move, so I'm going to try and go find some bedding. Honestly, you guys, this is like one of the highlights for me. I'm leaving the house. I have makeup on my face. Because of COVID, like, I don't really go anywhere other than the grocery store. Oh no, we need gas. I am so glad to finally have the cat out the bag, you guys. I am so excited. I'm so, like, guys, we're going to have cook with me's. We're going to have a moving vlog. We're going to have an empty house tour. We're going to have come cook with me. We're going to have come decorate with me. Oh my God, we got to decorate for Christmas. Don't get me wrong. We're not like these YouTubers moving into like a 5,000 square foot home, but it is a significant upgrade for us and where we're at in our lives. And I am so excited.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter.
So I'm going for something like this with the border around it, but I don't want to be Roman inspired. So this isn't quite it. I just want it to be a solid line. So I really like this one. I kind of prefer a single border, but they only have it in queen. They have this color in king, but I'm not a fan of this color because our bed is gray. So Bed Bath & Beyond was a bust, but I just saw this new furniture store. It's called LD Shop. Just from the logo alone, I don't know if I can get it all in, but you guys can see like the style of the shop, the black and white. I was like, this is for me. And then I saw the cute little 2 trees outside. It's very weird to be vlogging in public again. I haven't done this in a while, and the looks, I forgot about them. But then I just have to remember I'm never going to see these people again.
Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different.
A little bit of time has passed. I'm getting a car wash, hence the noise, and then I'm on my way to get some paper plates, groceries, and then head home and actually make some lunch because I'm a little bit hungry, but we didn't find what we were looking for, so I'm just gonna go ahead and order online from Wayfair. I'll show you guys that as well when we get home. Does anyone else have a Bath & Body Works addiction like me? Honestly, Justin came home the other day. I've been packing candles and he thought I bought a whole bunch. In the new house, we actually have 3 bathrooms. In this house, we have 1 bathroom that we use. There are technically 2, but we only end up using 1 because the toilet in one of them is janky. So, you know, we're gonna need soap. So I got 2 of the flannel. This is my favorite. Flannel is Justin and my favorite Bath & Body Works scent. They make it in a candle too. Where's my candle? Have this candle, and I also stock up and buy at least 5 of the candles every year. I also picked up this one in winter. This is another one of my favorite scents that Bath & Body Works comes out with every year. Really, really nice. It smells like cloves with a little bit of citrusy. I haven't tried this one yet, but this is white tea and sage. It smelled really good and calming. I actually think I got the matching candle to this one, so that's why I want to try it. And then I also got this one here. This is the 5th one. This one is 'Tis the Season. This is another one of my favorite scents that Bath & Body Works does every year that I have in the candle form. This one just smells like Christmas. And then I have 5 new candles. These ones I haven't burned yet, so I'm not going to burn them until they go into the new house. So the first candle I got was this one here. This is in Palo Santo. The reason I got this one is because the packaging's white, and I thought that this would be a really nice candle to put in the kitchen or the entryway. It smells very woodsy. It has a little bit of a cologne-y scent, but it also smells like church, if that's the best way I can describe it. I also picked up this one here. This is called Fireside. This is amazing. This just smells like you're around a campfire. I'm someone that doesn't really like a lot of the sweet scents, so you're not going to really find sweet scents at my house. I also got this one here. This one's called The Perfect Christmas. I thought it was so cute, white with the little reindeers, and this just smells like Christmas. It smells like cinnamon. It smells warm. I also got this one here called Tree Farm. This smells really good. This doesn't smell like mahogany balsam or fresh balsam. I would say it's less like evergreen pine tree, and it kind of has like a warm apple scent as well. So this one, if you're not a fan of it being so tree, this was a really good one. And then I got this one actually on recommendation of the employee. She said it's really an elegant scent and it's one of their most popular. It is white tea and sage. Oh, this is a really nice scent. It's very soft. It's not too sweet because I hate sweet scents. I would say this is a very clean and relaxing scent. So this one, again, I'm probably going to keep in the kitchen and main level of our new house, and I cannot wait. So here are actually all my other Bath & Body Works candles. So I'm just sorting them into these little things. I actually asked Bath & Body Works to give me some of them, which I'm really excited about because I'm just going to pack these up in the car, strap them into a seat, and drive them over like this.
Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble acting.
So you guys, I have been the worst. It's literally the night before the move, and I have just been packing like a frenzy. Right now I'm actually packing our perishables and all the food from our cupboards and putting them into bins. But let me show you the setup because we have the movers coming at 9 a.m. tomorrow. It is 9 p.m. right now, and it's crunch time. We decided to actually buy some reusable bins here that I just wrapped our glass and kitchen stuff in. We bought 5 of them because we figured we'd keep them for storage. And then we rented 10 of these bins from our local storage, Diamond Storage, and you can see they're super deep. Can you see this bruise on my hand? We have fire rated doors, and as we were bringing some stuff in, Justin accidentally closed the fire. It hardened door my finger, and it's swelling up and it's bruised and it hurts so freaking bad. We have our bar stools. We have boxes galore. We have our new bed, which I'm super excited about. Some more bins with Bath & Body Works stuff. Another part of our bed. I pretty much cleaned the bathroom out. There's some stuff on the counters and I have to finish. Wow, the lighting in here is awful. But I've emptied all the closets already, so you guys can see the closet here. I'm actually going to bring my perfumes all like that. The drawers just have our stuff for tomorrow in them. My little shower cap and headscarf, but all these ones are empty. So yeah guys, there's a lot to do and I'm already getting tired. I'm gonna go to bed in a second. So I guess I'll prop you guys up as I'm just packing these last little kitchen things and you guys can see. And then I will end this vlog here and we will pick back up tomorrow with the moving vlog, you guys. I can't wait. I'm so excited.
Everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you, our conversation.